Hello, everybody. Welcome to BitBrothers Crypto, a channel where you find the best information on the universe of crypto. I'm Papa here today, and you're with the Papa roundup of the week. Let's say, isn't it? Today we had a very nice pump expected, but the leverage is very, very high still, guys. So be careful this weekend, okay? Anyway, so it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, and of course, follow us in all the medias that we're always posting something interesting about cryptocurrency. Guys, anyway, today what I want to say is I keep saying to you guys throughout the past week, me and Casca did a market wrap up in the morning as well, and we are saying to you guys the best opportunities are now. Okay, so everything that's happening of volatility and all that, but we still are on the bear market, and we pretty much on the bottom of the bear market. If we go lower, it's gonna be a quick one. I keep saying this all the time because I want to make sure you guys know the potential that we have at this time. Okay, so yes, please be aware, guys. Let's quick have a look on the market. Okay, see how's everything today. Bitcoin has a nice recovery there to highs of 22,400. At the moment, at 21,819. Like we said yesterday, me and Casca. So the Bitcoin's been hovering between 18 and $21,000, but now it's a little bit over that. But expect that we're still gonna be hover for this for a while. Many things happening in the market that suggest that. Okay, so I'll show you some things more, but we can see today about $50 billion entered the market cap at $956 billion now, in the market cap 751 million. Okay, so one second, guys, one second. So today we have Tech Dev here. Sorry, guys, my kid came here. So Tech Dev said, my opinion, two macro Bitcoin cycles. Second is 3 times longer than the first. Okay, so the RSI there we're changing. You can see on the graphic. I keep saying for you guys to follow Tech Dev. He has amazing graphics for us to see. Okay, so you can see here we're bottoming and we are few maybe a year away from the top of the market. Doesn't mean the line you can see here is probably this one here where we start to go up. Okay, another one that he says, imagine if Bitcoin's latest intermediate impulse had seen a lesser extension as the same wave did last cycle degree. Same position on the parabola, same wave timing, likely much less fear. Okay, look at that. So basically, guys, he's taking the previous markets and putting above this one here to see how the prediction for what's going to happen there. Okay, you can see here. Despite the higher extension of this wave, 3 of 3 indicator structure has been near identical in both cycles. Sorry, guys, my family here is being passing by today. Sorry. So, despite the high extension of this wave, 3 of 3 indicator structure has been near identical in both cycle degree impulses thus far. Okay, so he shows here the previous bull runs on top of this. Guys, you can see here, like we keep saying to you guys, how identical these things are. Like they say, they don't repeat, but they rhyme. You can see here, if you put on top of the others, present 2015 to present 3 week. Okay, the next one, shorter cycles or longer with earlier volatility in this subwave, something to ponder through. It's still a subjective term. Sorry, let's put it there. Okay, so yeah, again, if you want to have a deeper insight into this, just go and follow Tech Dev there. Okay, I like I said, I like to read the comments there because a lot of people put some nice stuff there. So he put great stuff, make me wonder what caused the price action was so strong this cycle to the upside. Dude, it's not a way for man 16K soon. If we really hear or not, 16K soon. So for example, this guy believes we are going to reach 16K very soon. And that I think is realistic again as well, guys. That's why I say it could reach 16K, and that could be the bottom. Like, we reach 17K, and I'm using that to DCA, guys. So I still believe. That's why I don't want to talk much about being bullish, 100%. If you're not in the market yet, if you're in the market, of course, and you managed to DCA in the past weeks, done great work. I hope you feel happy with yourself, okay? But still, again, we can check for this price volatility, guys. Bitcoin price builds best weekly candle since March despite new DXY peak, okay? The dollar index, guys, is the DXY. So the dollar index, they say once the dollar index start to go down, that means a lot of money will flow into the crypto market, okay? So people expect the DXY to go down, and because it's very much correlated, they look into this DXY a lot, because in the past bull runs, it was very much correlated to the Bitcoin rally, okay? So the US dollar is breaking out yet again, adding to misgivings about the authenticity of Bitcoin's surge to 22,400. Bitcoin is on track for its biggest weekly gain since March, but not everyone is convinced that good times will last. Okay, are you those ones that think good times will last, or you think we're gonna have another, pushback? Crypto sentiment highest since early May. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that at the time of writing, Bitcoin USDC is over $2,000 this week, nearly 12%. After spending several days trapped in a narrow range, the pair managed to exit the upside. The gains accelerated overnight on the July 8th to see highs of $22,401 on Bitstamp. So what Plan B said here, Bitcoin nicely bounced back to 200 weekly moving average and realized price levels both at 22K. Let's see if holds. By the way, Bitcoin 24.8 thousand would flip RSI back at 45. Okay. So those highs alone are not noteworthy, coinciding with Bitcoin's 200-week moving average, MA, an essential level in bear markets that has acted as resistance since last month. While consolidating around $1,000 lower, Bitcoin nonetheless is showing the potential for a trend turnaround, beating out the 200-week moving average. However, will not be easy task. Guys, what we're talking about here, that the 200-week moving average is being support before, okay? As we broke down the 200 weekly moving average, now it becomes a resistance, okay? So like people say, most people think if we don't break this resistance above the 200 week moving average, because basically we never went below that in the previous bull runs, we never went below the 200 weekly moving average. That's why the price, people say it's bottom already, because we went below, and it's the first time ever this happened, okay, for us to go below that. So keep an eye on this 200 weekly moving average, because if we keep holding the below, it's going to become a very, very strong resistance. So we're going to need a very, very strong volume in order to get back up, okay? So like I said, guys, today not much to talk about, like a quick wrap up of what's going on, what I believe. Okay, still think this pump is not like the pump, because there's not much volume to support it. Okay, so expect a lot of volatility. There was a lot of leverage going on now on the market because of this pump, and like we always say, leverage is not very good for the market. Keep the market very, very unstable. Okay, so guys, I apologize today for everything that's happening here today. I had a little problems to stay in the room I normally record, and yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Okay, leave us your comment. Don't forget to leave us your comment. Which coins are you looking at this time? Okay, I spoke about the coins I'm looking at last Friday, and let me know if you're interested to see some more coins that I'm looking at the time of DCA. I can say to you guys, basically layer ones and the top layer twos as well are the coins, and some metaverse coins and game coins as well. Okay, so but not many. Don't overspread as well. Okay, especially if you're coming now, guys, do not overspread your buys. Okay, go for the layer ones and not many of them. So be safe now. and I'm sure in the couple of years time we're gonna be very happy together. Thanks once again for following us, and don't forget to subscribe on the way out. Thank you guys and have a great weekend. Bye bye.